Hello guys, good morning and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you some cooking and saving tips. Okay? In cooking, guys, it's like you're wearing your clothes. It's like it's a mix and match thing for me, especially for me. I'm an OFW here in the UAE, and I cook all by myself. Okay, I cook for myself, so no one will complain about the way I cook because I'm the only one who's eating it. Okay, so I will give you some saving tips and cooking tips, simple tips and tricks in cooking here in the UAE, Middle East. So now, the way I cook, guys, the first thing that I'm gonna do is I will check all my stocks, okay, especially the vegetables or any stock that you think that it will expire soon, or it's nearly damaged, like that. Okay, in my case right now, you're seeing these vegetables. We will check what to cook. Okay, but I decided now today to cook with mix with a chicken. Check this one, chicken. Okay, I finished. I sauteed it already. I fried, not fried. It's sauteed with onions and garlic and ginger. Okay. Now I'm still deciding what to cook, but I decided to mix it with chicken, right? Okay, so this we will gonna do my saving tip. First thing is check all your vegetables. Check if some of them are damaged or what. So that's the one that you will cook first. So check this to potato. It's good. Tomato. If you can see, guys, I have only one piece of tomato, one piece. I have tomato, potato here. This was new one. This new one. This is the old one. I separate it so that I will know which one is the new and old. I have one more here. Garlic. I have ginger. My onions are finished. Got a bunch, and I have this. I think this butter squash. I think, if I'm not mistaken, correct me if I'm wrong. In the Philippines, we call this one as upo. We have also papaya. If you can see, guys, my papaya is cut already into half because I cooked already the other day. Tinola. I cook it with papaya, mixed also with chicken, and especially this, my favorite, moringa leaves. Moringa or horseradish or drumstick tree. In the Philippines, we call it malunggay. Also, my hopo is hot already. There's another tip, guys. In the way I cook, I mix and match. Okay, it's like experiment or what, but the important thing is it's not the taste, it's the benefit, it's the how healthy it is, not how tasty it is. But if you cook tasty and healthy, I think it's better. Okay, but me, I'm a simple guy, I'm a normal guy with a simple life, like that. So my saving tips is I always cook with, so that it will not, I will not think of more ways or more thinking, no more tension to think what to cook. I decided, and I always do, is I choose only two kinds of vegetables to mix with, and one meat. It's either a beef meat, or chicken meat, or a fish, or maybe a hot dog, or whatever. As long as I mix two kind of vegetable. Okay. Okay, you saw before I decided to cook chicken, but not decided what vegetable to put. So let's check it now. So this upo, I think we need to use this one because it's cut already. I cooked this one the other day, 2 days ago. Okay, check. There's a little dark or black spot, little. So this 2 days ago. This one the other day. This papaya. So we need to cook this one now. Okay, so we need this one, and if you want to put some this one, what you call this one, we call it in the Philippines okra. I don't know this is in English, I forgot. It's like finger, I think it's if you know this vegetable, comment later. I forgot it, but I know this. It's like with the finger word, maybe. Yeah, that's it. So I decided to I use this one upo with, check this one, it's all good. I just buy this one, I think yesterday. Yeah, we have chili. I love chilies. Every day I put chilies. I put it every day to make it more challenging. So our carrots, that's it. If you can see, guys, I only buy little, only 2 pieces, to prevent them from damages, because if you buy more vegetables, and you cannot cook it together. Okay, especially now we have this pandemic, we have this COVID-19 virus all around, so it's better to stay home. Maybe I go out to buy some food once a week, like that. Once a week, it's also good for you. You buy only once a week, and try to experiment or reuse or use what's available stock you have to cook. Not every day you go out, every day you buy this one, it's not a good idea, and it will cost you more. Okay, so this one, let's go to our topic. Check then, let's check this malunggay, this moringa leaves. If you can see, guys, there's some dried leaves already, so we will use this one. Okay, so we will use the moringa leaves with the dried one, but we will not use the dry, but the other part. Okay, so we will mix upo with this one, with moringa leaves. Okay, that's our vegetable. 2 kinds of vegetable. We have the something solid and something leafy. That's my style in cooking. I mix it with for example, I have a potato. I mix it with something leafy vegetable. It's for, well, it like you can mix it with lettuce or what, like that. That's the way I cook. That's how the way I cook. Okay, so we decided this one. Then the next thing with chicken, and next thing that we can do is, then the most important thing is our chicken broth cubes. Okay, we have this chicken broth cube. This is the secret recipe. This will do the trick. It will become tastier and delicious. Okay, so we need this one. Then I have here this curry powder. We can use this one. If you want, we can use it. And also we can use this fish sauce. Okay, this product from the Philippines is a fish sauce. We use this one as to give taste, or to give an a twisted taste. You can use this one mixed with the upo and the moringa. Okay, I have also soy sauce. So the thing I have also here, salted shrimp sauce. So we can use this one. We can use this curry. We can use this fish sauce. We can use soy sauce. And another thing is we can show you also this sinigang mix. This is a sour mix, a tamarind sour mix. It's a powder form. It will create a sour dish. Okay, we can use also this one. And I have mungo here. Mungo, see this mungo. This one good for one dish. This one dish is good for 2 meals. And partner it with my cooked rice. I cooked already. And watch out for more tutorial or tips on how to cook a perfect white rice. Check this out. Wow, it's already it's cooked already. While deciding my my dish. So okay, I've decided now. We can use this fish sauce. Okay, you can use this fish sauce cubes, chicken with garlic, ginger, and onions, with this butter squash, and of course moringa. So that's our dish for today, and it is good for 2 meals, good for my lunch and dinner. So I hope you guys get some tips and tricks how to cook and save, especially in this time of we are facing some world crisis because of this pandemic, COVID-19. So always remember, guys, stay home, stay safe, and be responsible. Bye, guys. See you more with some videos soon.